Right, this Bowman M135 from about the late 1920s, early 30s, is just about ready to steam. I've been around, thoroughly lubricated the engine. I've had a few problems with the original lamp, which is there, which seems to be leaking meth from the tube. So I've got an M140 lamp on this, which should be just as effective. So we'll give this little guy a try. Sometimes this one can prime a little bit, but invariably, like all Bowmans, they run very, very well. Once they're actually got going, this one's spitting out a lot of water. Put a little bit of there goes the safety valve. This one always blows like that. As you can see, the water's blown off, it tends to be alright. Got an uprated spring in that safety valve, probably why it's blowing off a little bit too much. There you have it. Priming a little bit at the moment. I've put in about 190 cc's of water into the boiler. It's driving an 839 type dynamo. Sometimes this little fella works, sometimes it doesn't, so we're just going to let it get on with it for the moment. I'll let this engine get into its stride. It tends to slowly speed up once it's underway. It's got a small amount of oil in the drip-free lubricator, which is feeding a steady stream of engine oil into the cylinder. Running a little bit slow at the moment. I've got a feeling maybe due to the fact I haven't run it for a while, maybe a blockage in the pipe. It's nice to run this one nonetheless anyway. It's been a while since I've actually had it going. I originally purchased this one, must have been about 14, 15 years ago now, before Bowman prices started getting rather silly. That's a pleasing chuffing sound. Safety valve is blowing a little bit more than I would like really, but there you have it. So he speeds up during his run. Also came as an E135, which had a wooden base plate instead of the Meccano base plate as you find on the M135. Definitely that safety valve making that noise. All held together on some simple Meccano L girder strips. The lamp is set up correctly. That dynamo has worked in the past, but for some reason today it's decided it doesn't want to, so normally going to something relating to earthing,